Hi guys, this is me Sonali Vijay. Today we will going to understand consumer equilibrium in case of two or several commodities. So here we are assuming that we are going to market for purchasing two commodities. The consumer is in equilibrium at a point at which the marginal utility of money expenditure on both the goods are equal in symbolic terms. What is the meaning of marginal utility of money? It means the constant money that we are using to purchase of a commodity. And we are going to purchase two commodities that are equal in symbolic terms. Symbolic terms means in number form. It means that the ratio of two commodities are equal. How the ratio of two commodities will be equal? Here is the formula. Marginal utility of good X upon price of good X is equals to marginal utility of good Y upon price of good Y is equals to marginal utility of money. Marginal utility of good X is the satisfaction of good X is equals to marginal utility of good Y. It means satisfaction of purchasing good Y upon price of good X and price of good Y. That is equals to marginal utility of money, that the money we have and we are going to purchase two commodities that are equal giving satisfaction. The consumer equilibrium, or we can write it as by cross multiplication MUX upon MUY is equals to price of good X upon price of good Y is equals to MUM, marginal utility of money. So here are the full form of MUX, MUY, PX, PY and MUM. For example, we are taking good X as a Maggi or good Y as a chips. So the marginal utility of money upon PX. Here is the price of Maggi and we are getting the satisfaction is 50, that is equals to 5, and we are taking the price of chips as 15 and it is giving us 30 satisfaction. So by dividing it, it is giving us 2 level of satisfaction and it is giving 5 level of satisfaction. We will consume chips until it becomes 5 because we have to pull the ratio of these two goods until our satisfaction comes 5. So we will substitute one product for gaining the equal satisfaction. It will be understand by the schedule. So consumer equilibrium, also known as when we are talking about two or several commodities, it is also called law of equimarginal utility. We can say law of maximum satisfaction or Gaussian's second law. So Gaussian's second law is equimarginal utility or law of maximum satisfaction. So what is the Gaussian's first law? Gaussian's first law is law of diminishing marginal utility that we have discussed in our previous videos. And Gaussian's third law is scarcity of resources, that we have scarcity of resources and we have to use them in a way that it gives us maximum satisfaction. So Gaussians have three laws. First law is law of diminishing marginal utility. Second law is law of equimarginal utility or law of maximum satisfaction, we can say. And Gaussian's third law is scarcity of resources.